Travelers dreaming of Italy and La Dolce Vita can stop dreaming and start booking as Italy started welcoming vaccinated tourists. On Sunday, the country reopened its borders to foreign tourists from several destinations traveling on COVID-free flights. Furthermore, Italy just announced that travelers from fellow European Union countries or from the United Kingdom or Israel will no longer need to make a 5-day quarantine and entering Italy. In order to take advantage of this, however, travelers still need to provide a negative COVID-19 test result. The swab test must be taken within the previous 48 hours before traveling. Americans can now travel to Italy. Here's how to book a flight. Travelers on these flights are required to get tested before departure and again on arrival, regardless of their vaccination status, but are exempt from quarantine. Tourists must take either a molecular or antigen swab test within 48 hours of arriving in Italy. Delta Airlines, which started offering the COVID-tested flights in December with Alitalia, currently flies between Atlanta and Rome, New York and Milan, and New York and Rome, and will plan to expand its service this summer with flights between New York and Venice, Atlanta and Venice, and Boston and Rome. American Airlines on Sunday also said it would welcome leisure travelers on its 2 quarantine-free flights from New York to Milan and Rome. Italy's decision to open its borders comes just weeks after the country announced its intentions to welcome travelers from outside the European Union again. This change was made as a result of 2 significant contributing factors: the increasing vaccination rates that are taking place throughout the EU and Italy wanting to take advantage of the upcoming summer holiday period. The COVID-19 pandemic has had an unprecedented effect on the tourism industry globally. This is especially the case for countries which are more dependent on the sector than others, as in the case of Italy. Italy has suffered greatly during the pandemic. The country is now counting its losses for the year, as well as predicting how 2021 will unfold. Italy lost a total of €120 billion over the course of 2020 due to the pandemic and restrictions on travel and tourism. The world last month, Italy started easing lockdown restrictions, allowing coffee bars, outdoor restaurants, and more to open in regions across the country, including popular spots like Rome and Milan, but a 10 p.m. curfew remains in effect, according to the Italian National Tourist Board. Famous tourist destinations like Colosseum also reopened for individual visitors. Several other European countries have opened to tourists in recent weeks, including Greece and Croatia, which have each waived pre-arrival testing requirements for vaccinated American travelers and welcome unvaccinated tourists with proof of a negative test. Restrictions against Brazil remain in place. Until now, COVID-tested flights only covered routes between the United States and Italy, but the new ordinance includes departures from Canada, Japan, and the United Arab Emirates. The ordinances are effective from May 16, 2021 to July 31, 2021. I offer free walking tours around many European historical sites to all the subscribers of my channel. So make sure you subscribe to be notified about upcoming free walking tours, which will be released soon.